Configuring reports on your dashboard. You can configure reports for sales, operations, finance, and franchise, depending on whichever modules you've purchased. You may not have all of these tabs. You would only have the tabs corresponding to the modules you've purchased. But to display reports for any of those tabs, we're going to come up to the top just below your username in the upper right. And you'll see on my screen it says one selected. We're going to come down. We've got the home widget selected, so that's these widgets across the top. Then we have a series of sales reports. So we can go ahead and we can select a few of them, and you'll see they start to populate as we finish up here in a minute. Then I go to operations because I have operations purchased on this module here. With finance reporting. And these reports will be the same for all of your users or all the franchisor users. And then you have franchise reports. And then way down at the very bottom, we have a section separately called reports that will allow us to see activity report and be able to export activity reports, so your call logs, etc. You can add an activity. We can see recent emails, or any of the saved reports that you've created will also appear. If I click off, you'll see now I have my saved or my sales reports appearing that I selected, my various operations reports, finance, and franchise. And if I click on any of these, it will take me to a bigger screen where I can adjust some of the criteria. And then, like I mentioned, you have that additional report section at the bottom. So we can report on all activities. So if I want to see all my calls, they would all appear here. And I can export the call log. I can export all my recent emails. You'll see all activity log. So we can add to here. And then if I'd saved any reports in the system, those reports would show up here, depending on the criteria I selected. And that's how you configure the reports on your dashboard in FranchiseSoft. If you have any questions or need any further help with this, please feel free to email helpdesk@franchisesoft.com. And thanks for watching.